Welcome back to the Non-Artist 10-Day Challenge. Today is day 7 and we are getting so close to the finish line. Don't give up now. We are going to do a meditation today and play with our colors to make some pretty little gradients. So have whatever materials you've been using ready and we'll use those colors once we do a quick meditation. So first take a moment to recognize your breath. Make sure it's moving in and out nice and slow. Move your head a little bit, make any adjustments you need to be comfortable. Relax your jaw, let your shoulders fall down. And let your breath be slow and steady. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Let peace wash over you and soak in the affirmation for today. I have value no matter what I create. I have value no matter what I create. Today, focus on finding some joy and peace in your work. Explore the colors and let them be free. Don't demand that they follow your desires. Let them be as we create some beautiful gradients. Here you can use whatever materials you've been using for color and try to mix them. So I'm going to use my orangey peach and mix it in with my pink to make these pretty little gradients. So play with the different colors, mix them differently, darker, lighter, longer, shorter, and just make some different sections. Make at least one page of gradients. You can make as many as you want. And really just try to explore the materials and enjoy them. Don't think too much. It's not about being perfect, it's just about playing. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're around for day 8, 9, and 10. We are so close to the end. Thanks for watching.